राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन व्रज जनरंजन यशोदनंदन व्रज जनरंजन यमुना तेरा बनचारी यमुना तेरा बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन व्रज जनरंजन यमुना तेरा बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा। हरे नाम संकीर्तन महोत्सव की जय। भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रबोध महाराज की जय। नित्य गौर प्रेमानंद हरे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासां ततो जयमुदीरये। नरसुप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। Hare Krishna. Text 27 onwards today from Canto 2, Chapter 2, entitled Lord in the Heart. न यत्र शोको न जरा न मृत्यो नार्तिर्न चोद्वेगरिते कुतश्चित् यच्चिद्दतोदत्कृपया निन्दविद्धां दुरन्तदुःखं प्रभावनुदर्शनात्। न यत्र शोको न जरा न मृत्यु नार्तिर्न चोद्वेगरिते कुतश्चित् यच्चिद्दतोदत्कृपया निन्दविद्धां दुरन्तदुःखं प्रभावनुदर्शनात्। न यत्र शोको न जरा न मृत्यु नार्तिर्न चोद्वेगरिते कुतश्चित् यच्चित्तोदत्कृपया निन्दं विदां दुरन्तदुःखं प्रभावनुदर्शनात्। वर्ड मीनिंग, न कभी नहीं, यत्र यहाँ है, शोक शोक, न तो, जरा बुढ़ापा, न तो, मृत्यु मृत्यु, न तो, अर्देहि पीड़ा, न तो, च भी, उद्वेगः चिंताएं, ऋते के अतिरिक्त बिना, कुश्चित कभी कभी, यत के कारण, चित चेतना, तथा तत्पश्चात, अधः दया, कृपया हार्दिक दया से, अनइदम वेदाम भक्ति योग के अनविघ्नों का, दुरंत दुर्लभ्य दुख कष्ट प्रभव बारंबार जन्म तथा मृत्यु अनुदर्शनात् कर्मिक अनुभव से। ट्रांसलेशन परपोर्ट बाय हिज डिवाइन ग्रेस भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद। सत्यलोक में न तो शोक है, न बुढ़ापा, न मृत्यु, वहाँ किसी प्रकार की वेदना नहीं है, जिसके कारण किसी तरह की चिंता भी नहीं है। हाँ, कभी कभी चेतना के कारण उन लोगों पर दया उमड़ती है जो भक्ति योग से अवगत न होने से भौतिक जगत के दुर्लभ कष्टों को भोग रहे हैं। तात्पर्य, भौतिकतावादी स्वभाव के मूर्ख व्यक्ति परंपरागत प्रमाणिक ज्ञान का कोई लाभ नहीं उठाते। वैदिक ज्ञान प्रमाणिक है और इसकी प्राप्ति प्रयोग द्वारा नहीं, अपितु प्रमाणिक व्यक्तियों अधिकारियों द्वारा बताए गए ग्रंथों के प्रमाणिक कथनों द्वारा होती है। मात्र पंडित हो जाने से कोई वैदिक कथनों को नहीं समझ सकता। उसे उस वास्तविक विद्वान के पास जाना होता है जिसे शिष्य परंपरा के वैदिक ज्ञान प्राप्त किया हो। जैसे कि भगवद गीता 4.2 में स्पष्ट कहा गया है। भगवान कृष्ण जोर देते हुए कहते हैं कि भगवद गीता में जिस ज्ञान पद्धति की व्याख्या की गई है वह सूर्यदेव को बताई गई थी, और यही ज्ञान शिष्य परंपरा द्वारा सूर्यदेव उनके पुत्र मनु को प्राप्त हुआ, और मनु के राजा इक्ष्वाकु भगवान रामचंद्र के पितामह को प्राप्त हुआ। इस प्रकार यह ज्ञान पद्धति एक एक करके महान ऋषियों को प्राप्त होती है, किंतु कालानुक्रम में यह प्रमाणिक परंपरा टूट गई। अतएव ज्ञान की पुनर्स्थापना के लिए भगवान ने वही ज्ञान अर्जुन को प्रदान किया, क्योंकि भगवत भक्त होने के कारण वह इसे समझने का योग्य पात्र था। अर्जुन ने भगवद गीता को जिस रूप में समझा उसका भी वर्णन हुआ है, भगवद गीता 10:12-13। किंतु ऐसे अनेक मुख्य व्यक्ति हैं जो भगवत गीता के सार को समझने के लिए अर्जुन के पदचिन्हों का अनुसरण नहीं करते हैं। वे अपनी व्याख्याएं प्रस्तुत करते हैं जो उन्हीं के समान मूर्खता पूर्ण होती है और वास्तविक ज्ञान के मार्ग में रोड़े का काम करती है तथा अल्पज्ञों या शूद्रों को गुमराह करने वाली है। यह कहा गया है कि वैदिक कथनों को समझने के पूर्व मनुष्य को ब्राह्मण बन जाना चाहिए। यह आपेक्ष उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है जितना कि यह आक्षेप कि स्नातक हुए बिना कोई वकील नहीं बन सकता है। ऐसा आक्षेप किसी की भी प्रगति में बाधक नहीं होता है, अपितु किसी विशेष विज्ञान को अच्छी तरह समझने के लिए अनिवार्य है। जो योग्य ब्राह्मण नहीं हैं वे वैदिक ज्ञान की मनमानी व्याख्या करते हैं। सुपात्र ब्राह्मण वह है जिसने प्रमाणिक गुरु के मार्गदर्शन में कठिन प्रशिक्षण प्राप्त किया हो। वैदिक विद्या हमें परमेश्वर श्री कृष्ण के साथ अपने संबंधों को समझने में और भगवत धाम वापस जाने की इच्छित फल को प्राप्त करने के लिए तदनुकूल कर्म करने में मार्गदर्शन का कार्य करती है। लेकिन भौतिकतावादी लोग इसे नहीं समझ पाते हैं। वह ऐसे स्थान में सुखी रहने की योजना बनाना चाहते हैं जहां सुख है ही नहीं। वे मिथ्या सुख के लिए या तो वैदिक कर्मकांड द्वारा या अंतरिक्ष यान द्वारा अन्य लोकों तक पहुंचने का प्रयास करते हैं। लेकिन उन्हें यह भली भांति समझ लेना चाहिए कि ऐसे स्थान में जहां दुख ही दुख है, सुखी होने के लिए भौतिक समझन की कोई भी मात्र पथभ्रष्ट व्यक्ति को लाभ नहीं पहुंचा सकती, क्योंकि अंतोदगत्वा इस ब्रह्मांड को कुछ काल बाद अपने समस्त वस्तुओं सहित विनिष्ट होना होता है। तब भौतिकतावादी दुख की सारी योजनाएं जैसी की जैसी धरी रह जाएंगी। इसलिए बुद्धिमान मनुष्य भगवत धाम वापस जाने की योजना बनाता है। ऐसा व्यक्ति संसार के तापों, जन्म, मृत्यु, जरा तथा व्याधि को पार कर सकता है। वह वास्तव में इसीलिए सुखी रहता है क्योंकि उसे संसार की एक भी चिंता नहीं घेरती, अपितु वह दयालु होने के कारण उन भौतिकतावादी लोगों के लिए दुखी रहता है जो कष्ट भोग रहे हैं, और इस प्रकार से वह कभी कभी ऐसे लोगों को भगवत धाम वापस जाने की आवश्यकता का उपदेश देने के लिए उनके समक्ष आता है। सारे प्रमाणिक आचार्य भगवत धाम वापस जाने की ही सत्यता का उपदेश देते हैं और लोगों को सचेत करते रहते हैं कि ऐसे स्थान में सुख की कोई योजना न बनाए जहाँ सुख कोरी कल्पना है। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुषमृतमेनं तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुं श्रीतापदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवां च श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सहगना रघुनाथान्वितं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादां सहगना ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितां च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेशा गोपिकावां तव राधाकान्त नमस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरंगे राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये मां सकलपतरुश्चकृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय बुद्धिष्मते जय पताका समनिति नामिने नमः आचार्य पादाय निताय कृपा प्रदायने गौरकदामदाय नगर ग्रंथाणे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय बुद्धिष्मते भक्ति वेदांत समनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाशे देतारणे। जय श्री प्रभुपाद। हरे कृष्ण। Today,
Prabhu, English may be better because Madhula Mataji is there. Shamal Prabhu, all of us can. Madhula Mataji doesn't understand Hindi that well.
Okay, then let me go to the English version here. No problem.
राधिका माता जी सीन हो गया उसको
If you want, you can even mix it up.
Yeah, make it English.
And
English.
Prabhuji, what about Radhika Mataji?
She can understand Mataji English.
प्रभु जी उन्होंने मुझे बोल रखा कि माता जी हिंदी प्रभु जी को बोलना कि हिंदी में कलाम
आजो नहीं है ना So first of all,
She
I'm not well since yesterday. My head is reeling very badly. I couldn't go to the office. Plus, I have no appetite. Plus, so many problems. But I said, no, I will not miss Bhagavatam. I have to give Bhagavatam.
you have always appetite for Bhagavad.
Yeah, so I said, it's all right. So, very nice translation is, in that planet of Satyaloka, there is neither bereavement, nor old age, nor death. There is no pain of any kind. And therefore, there are no anxieties, save that sometime, due to consciousness, there is a feeling of compassion for those unaware of process of devotional service who are subjected to unsurpassable miseries of the material world. So, Sukadeva Goswami is informing, he has informed already all the lokas, and he says even to reach to Satyaloka, you have to cross over the Susumara, you have to cross over the sun, the moon, and even polar star, Dhruva-loka, then only you go to Satyaloka. And in Satyaloka, he says there is no old age and death. I remember somebody was describing on this sloka, and I was in the audience, and he happened to ask me, Prabhuji, don't you think there's a contradiction here? Whatever Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita and Sukacharya saying in Bhagavatam, there's a contradiction. I said, what a contradiction? He says, Lord says, A Brahma Bhuvana Loka Puna Avritano Arjuna. And here he is saying there is no death. How it is possible? So I told them, do you know the meaning of death? He said, yes, when the person dies. I said, what kind of death? There are many kinds of death. In Satyaloka, there is a change of body, but not the change of consciousness. You can get the change of the body. Like we have seen, the Ganesha had the elephant head, his consciousness does not change. Daksha has the goat head, his consciousness does not change. The body may change, but not the consciousness. So death means the total forgetfulness of one's existence is called the death. We go through death because we have just forgotten, we don't know anything. We go death. But the soul residing in the Satyaloka, the body, change of the body is there. Like, you may have one 2-bedroom house, nice locality. Tomorrow you change. You go somewhere else. Now you have changed the house, there's a new environment, maybe new friends, new ways of life. But your consciousness does not change, you remain as you are. So similarly, in the Brahmaloka or in Satyaloka, there is a dissolution for sure. It's not that dissolution. But they don't leave the body, they leave the body, but the consciousness is intact. And that's why it's saying there is no bereavement, no old age, no death. Now somebody is saying, if there is no old age, Prabhu, then how the death will take place? I say, in the material world, don't you think the young people are dying? Children are dying? People are not dying? What does it mean, old age? As soon as one is born, he becomes old. 1 month old, 1 year old, 10 year old, 20 years old, 30 years old, 40 years old. The man is already, the child is already old. So we don't have to wear the old age when your tooth starts falling, your hair becomes gray, and you are not able to walk. That's not the old age. We are already old. So therefore, it's saying, but sometimes there is a consciousness. And this consciousness make them perturbed. They feel why the people are involved in these kinds of activities. You must have watched sometimes if you have children at home. Your children will fight sometimes for a piece of paper. Just simply a piece of paper. You say, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine. They may tear one another's clothes. They may pull one another here. And you will laugh. You say, what these crazy children are doing? For them it is super important. Similarly, when we fight, the Deva, they look at it, they say, what, look at this fellow. Prabhupada used to say, the fighting of the husband and wife and fighting the two mountain goats results nothing. Fighting of two mountain goats, in the top of the mountain, there is a doom. No. For what? For no reason. So it has no use at all. But the compassion, they have a compassion. Generally, even if I say more than 50%, they are antarmukhi jivas. And 40-45% are bahirmukhi jivas. And those are antarmukhi jivas. After leaving that particular place, they might go. They don't have to come into material world. They go back to the Goloka, Vrindavan or Vaikuntha, wherever they are desiring. And those who are bahirmukhi, they have to come down and again process again. There is one lovely sloka that appears in this is in Hindi. It says, Nayami paramastanam achiradhigati vina garuda askandam arupya yatecha nivarita. And is in Hindi. वैकुंठ लोक में आत्मा को ले जाने के लिए भक्त को अष्टांग योग साधने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. इसका भार भगवान स्वयं अपने ऊपर लेते हैं. जो यहाँ स्पष्ट कह रहे हैं कि वे स्वयं ही उद्धारक बनते हैं. जैसे बालक अपने माता पिता द्वारा अपने आप रक्षित होता है, जिससे उसकी स्थिति हमेशा सुरक्षित रहती है, इसी प्रकार भक्त को योगाभ्यास के द्वारा, भक्ति योगाभ्यास के द्वारा अन्य लोकों में जाने के लिए प्रयत्न करने की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है. अपितु भगवान अपने अनुग्रह बस स्वयं ही अपने पक्षी वाहन गरुड़ पर सवार होकर तुरंत आते हैं और भक्त को भवसागर से उभार लेते हैं. कोई कितना भी कुशल तैराक क्यों न हो और कितना ही प्रयत्न क्यों न करे, किंतु समुद्र में गिर जाने पर वह अपने को नहीं बचा सकता है. किंतु यदि कोई आकर उसे जल के बाहर निकाले तो वह आसानी से बच जाता है. इसी प्रकार भगवान भक्त को इस भवसागर से निकाल लेते हैं. मनुष्य को केवल कृष्णा भावना मृत की सुगम विधि का अभ्यास करना होता है और अपने आप को अनन्य भक्ति में प्रवृत्त करना होता है. किसी भी बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति को चाहिए कि वह अन्य समस्त मार्गों की अपेक्षा भक्ति योग को ही चुने. तो प्रभुपाद जी कहते हैं, foolish men of materialistic temperament do not take advantage of the successive authorities of the knowledge. The knowledge is in disciplic succession. Like is in water, it falls from down, top to bottom. Top to bottom it flows down. Similarly, the love of God comes from top to bottom. In very rare, it goes from bottom to top. Like they say, if there is a river, either the dead animal or other thing, they'll flow with the water. But the fishes, they go upward against the water. So though it is very, very difficult to cross over the Nisayans, but with the help of the bhakti, one can cross over, it can go upward. Why? It's a Bhavasagar. As you said, Lord Krishna himself sent the Garuda. Go, he's not another Dutas, but his personal carrier, go and bring them. Bring them to my abode. So he's saying that, Prabhupada is also saying that very unfortunate. People do not understand, or they have no capability to understand, and they don't understand that after all the human life is meant for what? Only eat to live or live to eat? Is that all? Get married, have progeny, and that's all? Make few houses, that's all? Have good bank balance, that's all? But even all that doesn't give you relief. Doesn't get you from the vyadhi, the disease that comes, or fading away the senses. The money cannot control. It may give you solace, but it doesn't cure. Bhakti marg, the road to bhakti is the only one thing that one can really achieve the impossible. And what is impossible? The love of God. And the love of God is simply desire. You are really doing nothing. What is the Lord saying? Don't give me your money. Don't give anything you have. Mai arpit mana buddhi. Just invest your money and buddhi in me, that's all. And by the way, it is a lease with me, with us. So he said, just invest in me. He's not saying totally give it up, cut it off. No, invest it in me. And when we invest, the return is not in 5-10%, in million times. So Prabhupada is also concerned why the people are not becoming a devotee, why they are not understanding, why they don't read Srimad Bhagavatam, Amala Purana. That gives the process, how to get unentangled. We are getting entangled day by day. Every time and every now and then we get entangled. And to untangle is only the process of bhakti. And it should be ahatuki apratihata, uninterrupted. The Krishna bhakti should be uninterrupted. Let us say, if you have a child and you come from the office, every time you bring some toffee or lollipop or something, the child is waiting at home. My father will come, he'll bring something for me. Now, child is just waiting. He knows the father will bring, or anybody comes in bring. And then you don't bring, the child becomes very morose. Oh my God, he hasn't come today. Why? What must have? Similarly, if we are doing bhakti yoga and every day certain time, and if we miss one time, the Lord becomes very disturbed. What must have happened? He says, have I done anything wrong? Have I done anything wrong to them that today he has not come? So he is waiting. You may not understand that. I may also not understand that. But the Shastra says, Lord waits for the particular time is there. If you are 4:30 you have to do Aarti, if not an Aarti, Lord says, oh my God, what happened? He can force you, but he doesn't want. He says, Yatha ichchita tatha guru. So the Bhakti Yoga, even I remember the Dwarika Vasi, they were telling Krishna, they wanted to have a sightseeing to all these Jana Loka, Tapa Loka, Mahara Loka, or Satya Loka. They said, you want to have a sightseeing? They said, okay, so be it. So my dear, then leave this body. Because the body that you have, it is only suitable for Bhur Loka, not for Jana Tapa Satya Loka. For there you go with your subtle body. And they went and they stayed there some time. So even Brahma Loka, if there is no bereavement, if there is no disease, if there is no anxieties, but the change of body and change of planet is also there. So the Lord is saying, come back to me. Tadhama paramamama. He is not saying, come to Satya Loka, come to Mahara Loka, Jana Loka, or go to Villala Sarga. He is not saying that. He is saying, come to me. Because there is eternity. There is a Sat, there is a Chit, there is Ananda. Other day even Dr. Prabhupada was saying maybe, that in Brahma Jyoti there is no Ananda. There is a Sat, Chit, but no Ananda. And our body is full of Ananda. And we are not satisfied for the small Ananda. We are looking for the long gratification with the Lord. We don't want to gratify the senses separately. Rishikena bhakti ruchyate. So this way, although there is no death, no bereavement, no old age, but change of the body, and Krishna saying, and this part you might say, then why Sukacharya is saying that? He is saying because there are so many yogis sitting over there. He is also saying, yes, if you go there, then you will have no old age, you will have no disease, you have no anxiety, if you want to go there. Right? If you want to go there, he is saying, if you want to go, okay, fine. The options are given. If we have an option, then only we can choose what is good, what is bad. But if the option is not given, what will do? If suppose I got an option to go to the hell and to heaven, I will choose heaven. Well, choose hell. But if I given that, okay, from the Devi Dhama, you want to go to Mahesh Dhama, you want to go Hari Dhama, then I say, I'll go to Hari Dhama. Why should I even go to Mahesh Dhama? So, because the choices are given here by Sukacharya, so that makes it very, very tangible. So that people know. In Srimad Bhagavatam, you will know everything. Now, what is best suited to you and to us? That we have to adopt. And what we have to adopt? कलिर्देशे निधि राजन अस्ते को महान गुणान कीर्तनाद एव कृष्णस्य मुक्त संग प्रम्रजेत. We are born in the age of Kali. Either it was a very good fortune for us or very, very bad fortune for us. Good fortune for us that we have born not in Afghanistan. We were born in the different part of the world, and on the top of we have got Srimad Bhagavatam. On the top of we have the guide. We have the established processes. Thinking a human being, if I would be in Afghanistan, what will happen? What is my choice? Yes.
Don't tell lies.
So what is it? It's called a Sat Karma. Sat Karma. So choice is ours. If choice is given between acha, forget about Rwanda, Ethiopia, so many places, what a horrible condition of the human bodies. What to do? Even seeing them, we don't understand, we don't appreciate that what best opportunity you have got. And this opportunity is only for the moment. Durlabho manusya deho dehanam chanabhangura tatrabi durlabham manne tatrabi durlabham manne vaikunta priya darshanam. Durlabho manusya deho, though the human body is very, very difficult to obtain. Dehanam chanabhangura, and on the top of it lives only for the fraction of a second. Even the year that we are counting is not even fraction of a second. Dehanam chanabhangura tatrabi durlabham manne. But more difficult than that is meeting the Vaishnavas, Vaikunta Priya Darshanam. For them, Vaikunta is Priya, and who are the Priya for the Vaikunta? We have a rare opportunity. Very short time. Therefore, we got to do it now. Don't leave it for tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. But they say tomorrow comes. No. Tomorrow comes in the shape of today, not in the shape of tomorrow. When the tomorrow comes, it will be today, not tomorrow. If tomorrow is Friday, the Friday is not tomorrow. Friday will be today. When we are there is a Friday, it's not tomorrow. So everything we have done today. What is it? Bahuri karoge kab? Pal mein parlay hoegi, bahuri karoge kab? Time is really short for the human being. That's what the Krishna is saying. Sarveshu kaleshu.
करे सो आज करे सो कब पल में गौरी करे.
Yes. So the time is very short. You just think of it when you have passed your 5th standard, your 10th standard, your 12th standard, your professional degrees, you got your first job, you got your first salary, you maybe got married, you got the children, just like that. Finish, just like that. And all of a sudden, oh my God, Prabhuji, next month is my retirement. Oh, so many years? Yes, done. So everything that we have is a fraction of a second. Therefore, let us not lose it. Let us enjoy it. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak something about the Lord and Lord's devotees. Haribo.